Right, let's look at the question that is above. So now in this one, we have a 0, comma 1, 3 recurring. Okay, so we know there's going to be a couple of more threes there. That's what the recurring dot tells us. As we've mentioned in the previous video, we start by equating this thing to x. Great. The next thing that we do, same like the previous video, is we are going to multiply both sides with 10. So times this with 10 and times this with 10. Okay, so now what we've got over here, remember once you multiply with 10, the comma is going to move one space to our right. So I've got 1, comma 3, 3, 3 recurring. Right, let's just write these again so they look like nice threes. 3, 3, 3 recurring. And on our other side, we have 10x. Great, so we multiplied both sides with 10. Remember what we mentioned in the previous video? We want behind the comma the same thing. So this over here and this over here, are they the same? They're not the same. Right, so now we need to add an extra step. So we're going to multiply again. Right, we're gonna multiply again by another 10. So let's get our pen back here. Right, so let's multiply this with 10, multiply this with 10. Right, so what do you have now? Again, remember you're multiplying with 10, so this comma is gonna move there. So we have 1, 3, comma 3, 3, 3, because that recurs, and on the side we have 100x. Okay, great. Let's have a look at this quickly. Again, what we said was behind the comma we want the same thing. So or do we have the same thing behind the comma? Yes, we do. So now we are going to take again the second one, so it's going to be this one, and we're subtracting this one. We're subtracting the two that have the same thing behind the comma. So we are going to have 100x minus the 10x right, and on our left hand side it's going to be this 13,333 minus the 1,333, and that's going to give us 12. Okay, so on our right hand side, 100 minus 10 is 90. Left hand side we have the 12, divide both sides with our 90, so that's going to cancel. So we have x, right, and 12, we will say 12 divided by 90, 3 goes into both of them, 3 goes in there 4 times, 3 goes in there 30 times. That's 4 over 30. That can even be simplified further. Yeah, you'll put all of that in your calculator and get 2 over 15.